Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I got my hands on this Alfawise Y1696 Bluetooth smartwatch. This watch retails from £10, that's around 13 in US dollars. As you can see, I've done a few reviews on Alfawise products in the past, go and check them out after this. But for now, let's unbox. So outside the box, everything is pretty much basic, with one main image of the watch itself to the top of the lid. Let's delve inside and we have the smartwatch, which is covered in a soft matte back and comes quite protected. There are also some instructions which are super duper small. I mean, you need to take a picture just to see them. No doubt, I'm sure I figured them out throughout this review. Also in the box we have this tiny micro USB to USB charge cable. And while looking back to the watch, taking it out, interesting. We have a pretty decent looking smartwatch. Wow. This Alfawise Y1696 has a stylish, elegant design. It has an aluminium case and a 1.54 inch OLED screen. It has a pretty good durable wristband, which has pretty good resistance and should be good against grease and any abrasions. Oh, that's a nice word. To the left of the watch there is a charge cable insert. The right, the power button, and opening up the back, there is a 280 mAh lithium ion battery, which takes 2 hours for full charge, and that should get you around 4 days working time. Below that battery there is a TF memory card slot, with a maximum capacity of 32GB. And to the left of that, there is a SIM card slot, so yes, it does indeed have an independent phone function. And by the way guys, there's also a nice little speaker, which we'll test very shortly. Oh yeah guys, one big thing. Don't expect to be getting any 3G or 4G, as this watch is mainly for text and for calls. Right, turning this watch on, there is a startup tone, followed by, Secure logo. Okay, Secure logo, I thought it was Alfawise. Strange. Oh, I'm mixed up. Okay, so initially we come to a pretty short and standard digital type display, which you'll see the time, date and step counter. From here you can set the watch face. There are 3 watch faces to choose from. There is a chronographical style face, a neon green ring style face, and a simplistic basic black and white face. So a quick look at the specs. Well, this watch is powered by an MTK6261D chipset. It also comes with 32MB RAM and 32MB internal storage. It is described as being waterproof, however, I'd just say a few splashes may be okay. Always good to be safe. So the features on this Alfawise watch. You have access to a sedentary reminder, which when set to a desired time, it will ring and vibrate. So that'll stop you from sitting on that couch, and that should help you stop being a couch potato. So yeah, get your trainers on and get that cycling machine. And to help you with that, this watch comes with a built-in pedometer, which will gather your steps, time, fat, speed and mileage. You also have a calendar, remote notifier for messages, etc. It also has anti-loss built in, so when this is activated it will locate and ring your phone. And that option also can be reversed, so you can locate your watch wherever you left it basically. So you got your usual call logs, phone book, text messaging, which honestly I think you'll need a stylus as these digits are a little small. Oh yeah, and there's a dialer too. Let's just swipe over some more, and yeah, there's a power saving mode, motion control, so yeah, you can flip the watch to mute calls and flip it to mute the alarm. You know, that's going to come in handy in the mornings. You also got a remote control camera, which allows you to connect to a phone to take a snap. With the music option, this allows you to play your music from your phone or from an inserted memory card. Oh yeah, boy. So yeah, there's a good bunch of features, and connectivity is quite simple. That's simply done by selecting the Bluetooth and switching it on. Use your phone, find NSO5. This name can be customized at a later date, and it should come up with passcode matched, along with a passkey, which usually on setup is 1234 or 0000. So after connectivity, the next step is the mobile phone app. Now these instructions are quite useless to be honest. However, swiping over on the phone and selecting the QR code feature and then scanning it via your phone, it will take you straight to the web page, which will give you access and download the coordinated app. You don't need to sign up or anything, and when it's installed, it gives you access to the Front Run app. With Fun One, you'll see your steps, goals, calories, a deeper analysis of your activity. You can set your profile, click more to go into the notifications app, and from here, you can set what notifications you wish to access on your watch, like Instagram and Messenger, etc. The next screen is mainly based upon an inserted memory card, so yeah, you will have access to audio and pictures, sound recordings, and a file manager. There's also a simple calculator, alarm clock, manual sleep monitor, and lastly, profiles, which is general, silent, meeting, and outdoor. This can also be customized too. Overall, everything is well set out and easy to use. The added SIM card slot is a plus, it has good touch reaction, the speaker is okay but not too loud, as you can tell. And only real negatives that I've got for this smartwatch are the digits for the text and dialer. They are kinda small, along with the instructions, which are minute. I also wish there was some earphone connectivity. But hey, for around £10, you already have a pretty good deal anyway. And that's why, with that price in mind of £10, that's around $13, I've got to give this Alfawise Y1696 today 9 out of 10. Right now, this smartwatch is on offer. It comes in pink, blue, white, and this added black watch right here. And what I'll do, guys, is I'll leave a buy it now link in the video description down below. So yeah, go ahead and go get yours. And as usual, guys, please share this video wherever possible. Please subscribe, it's very important. Making sure you hit the bell notification option to stay updated on all my new reviews when they've been uploaded. I'll see you guys over on my new review, which is very interesting. Stay tuned for that, that's coming soon. And well, thanks for watching. Peace!